Hi guys, been asked on behalf of the Discord to just explain how to bundle shipments together on Whatnot. So these are some of the orders from yesterday's show, and as you can see, Meg has got one there and also got another order, which means it's gone into two separate boxes there. So the way you bundle them together is simply select the ones you want to bundle together, which in this case will be that one there and this one here. And then when you come on this side, it'll now switch and say bundle actions. So as you can see, there is bundle selected shipments, which is what I want to do. And then just confirm that. And hey presto, you will have it all bundled together. So now on this side, when I find Meg again, she now has 16 items combined. And any more hints or tips, do check us out on Discord and on Whatnot. Links are in the description. See you in the next one.